Hey Optimist, today we are going to be seeing should you learn JavaScript in 2021? Hey, what are you doing over here? Because this time I'm the one who's going to convey the context. Oh god, whatever. Get out of here so I can start. Alright, first, before getting into the charts and numbers on the JavaScript, I just want to say my opinion. Cut the crap and bring the content. The answer is yes, you should learn JavaScript in 2021 if you aim to become a web developer or a full stack developer. Because JavaScript runs the web and there are many frameworks that are built on JavaScript. Some people say TypeScript is going to replace JavaScript, but I don't see that happening in the near future. I just want to say this is my opinion and I'm backed up by numbers and charts. Alright, now let's look at the charts. First, we are looking at a Google search in which you can clearly see the first language is JavaScript. Now, let's look at the real deal. We are looking at the most used languages in GitHub. These status are from GitHub. GitHub is a tool which represents the most used languages in the GitHub over the past years. The yellow line represents JavaScript. As you can clearly see, JavaScript tops the charts. GitHub also maintains a chart of most widely used languages. So let's take a look at it. I have the data for past 2 years on the screen. As you can clearly see, JavaScript stays on the top. Well, if this doesn't satisfy you, let's take a look at the popular frameworks. First, and the most popular one, React. React is used to build blazing fast websites. React is more of a library than a framework. Man, I could talk about React for hours. So let's keep it aside. You just need to know it's an awesome library and it's managed by Facebook. The second one is Angular. Angular is a framework which is maintained and built by Google. It is good, but it also has its own flaws. The third is Vue.js. It is also a famous front-end library. And the fourth is jQuery, which is used for DOM manipulation. I hope that satisfied you. So now, let's move on to why shall you learn JavaScript? Of course, there are a lot of resources. First, to learn a language, there are two different ways. One, to read the documentation. Two, by building projects. The second one is more fun, but you need some theory to start building projects. So in this channel, I have created a JavaScript basics playlist, as you can see up here, which contains the syntax of the JavaScript language that you need to get started to build projects. After completing the JavaScript basics playlist, we are also building some cool projects in JavaScript which you might add to portfolio and it might even help you land a job. We are not only going to build plain JavaScript, we are also going to learn React and build some cool new projects. So I'd appreciate if you checked out my channel and subscribe to it, which really motivates me. If you ran into trouble while learning JavaScript, I suggest you check out the MDN documentation and you can also reach me out in Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even in the comment section for doubts, and I'll do my best to help you out. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you have come to a conclusion on whether should you learn JavaScript or not. And I hope to see you around in the channel and in the playlist. And good luck.